Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Curri Driver App, an app that promises to make delivery driving more flexible and profitable. If you're curious whether it's worth your time, stick around for this quick breakdown. What it is. Curri Driver is a delivery app that connects drivers with local businesses and contractors needing on-demand transport services. Its main goal is to help drivers earn money by completing deliveries with a flexible schedule. How it works. Once you download the app and sign up as a driver, you can view available delivery requests in your area. You choose the jobs you want, pick up the items, and deliver them to the specified location. The app tracks your earnings, provides route guidance, and gives you updates on delivery status. Payments are processed automatically, usually on a weekly basis, so you don't have to worry about invoicing or chasing clients. Who it's for. The Curri Driver app is ideal for gig workers, part-time drivers, or anyone looking to make extra income on a flexible schedule without committing to a full-time job. What people are saying. Drivers generally like the flexibility and quick payouts. Some appreciate the variety of delivery types and locations. On the downside, a few users mention that busy areas can be competitive, and occasional technical glitches in the app can cause minor delays. Pros. Flexible schedule and control over which jobs to take. Automatic payments and easy tracking of earnings. Variety of delivery opportunities. Cons. Earnings depend on demand and location. Some app glitches reported. Can be competitive during peak hours. Recommendation. So now here's my recommendation. If you're looking for flexible delivery work and don't mind occasional app hiccups, Curri Driver is worth trying. It's a solid option for earning on your own schedule. That's it for this Curri Driver app review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.